Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad ajma'in. Basic information about Janabi Hazrat Bibi Fatima Zahra Salaam alayha. Hazrat Bibi Fatima, also known as Fatima al-Zahra, was the daughter of the Islamic prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his first wife Hazrat Bibi Khadija Salaam alayha. Hazrat Bibi Fatima Zahra Salaam alayha was born in Makkah. Hazrat Bibi Fatima Salaam alayha is also known by the honorific titles Abiha, which means the mother of her father, and al-Aima, which means the mother of Imams. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad.